Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error 0x8007016A, the cloud provider file provider is not running on OneDrive, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So the first solution is to check the server status. Because if the server is down, then nothing else will work, and this does refer to the server. So search for OneDrive server status. Okay, now if you're checking for it on Bing, it will straight away mention whether it's operational or not. Else go to portal.office.com, the service status link, and check the status for OneDrive. It is a third in the list. Is it a tick? If yes, then well to go. If not, then you will have to wait. The next one is to check the case with files on demand. So I'll tell you what has to be done. Click on the OneDrive symbol, click on settings, click on settings here, and then scroll down under sync and backup. Click on advanced settings. You'll read the file on demand page. Click on download all files and click on continue. Okay, it will download all the files and then it will fix your problem. But if this doesn't help either, then you can update Windows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.